Lecture 105. Bizarre Robotics and Machines. Slide 1. Start. In the shadowy realm where science fiction meets reality, there exists a fascinating world of robots that defy our imagination. Welcome to Bizarre Robotics and Machines, where we'll venture into the most peculiar corners of robotics engineering. What makes a robot truly bizarre? Is it their otherworldly appearance, their unconventional movements, or perhaps their ability to challenge our very definition of what a machine can be? Today, we'll explore creations that blur the line between the possible and impossible. Let's begin our journey with nature's own strange designs. Imagine a robot that moves like a salamander, seamlessly transitioning between land and water. The Salamandra Robotica II doesn't just mimic life, it reimagines it. With its undulating spine and coordinated limb movements, it's teaching us new ways to think about locomotion. Deep in the oceans, robotic jellyfish pulse through the darkness. These ethereal machines, created for underwater exploration, use no traditional propellers. Instead, they harness the ancient wisdom of their biological counterparts, moving with an almost hypnotic efficiency. But perhaps most unsettling are the snake robots, writhing through disaster zones where no human could venture. Their segmented bodies can traverse rubble, climb poles, and even swim, a testament to the power of biomimetic design. Now, prepare to witness something truly remarkable: robots that can change their very form. The M-blocks defy gravity, leaping and connecting in midair to create ever-changing structures. These cubic automatons showcase the future of self-reconfiguring systems. Even more mysterious are the origami robots, flat sheets that fold themselves into complex shapes, like mechanical butterflies emerging from metallic chrysalises. And then there are the liquid metal robots, shape-shifting mercury-like entities that can squeeze through the smallest gaps. But what if I told you that the strangest robots are the ones we cannot see? Welcome to the world of nanorobotics, where machines smaller than a human cell navigate the microscopic realm. DNA origami robots fold genetic material into tools and vehicles, while bacterial robots turn nature's smallest organisms into programmable machines. The artistry of robotics takes an unexpected turn with social robots designed to challenge our understanding of creativity. Behold Robo-Thespian, delivering stand-up comedy with uncanny timing, or watch as robot arms compose symphonies and paint masterpieces that sell for thousands. These mechanical artists raise profound questions. Can a machine truly create? Where does programming end and genuine creativity begin? The lines continue to blur with each passing innovation. Yet perhaps the most perplexing developments lie in self-evolving robots. Using genetic algorithms and advanced AI, these machines can redesign themselves, learning and adapting like living creatures. They challenge our very conception of what it means to be artificial. As we peer into the future, quantum robots emerge from theoretical physics machines that operate on the principles of quantum mechanics, existing in multiple states simultaneously. They promise to revolutionize computation and our understanding of reality itself. The boundaries between biology and machinery continue to dissolve with the emergence of biohybrid robots. Living tissue integrated with mechanical components creates entities that are neither fully alive nor purely machine. As we conclude our exploration of these mechanical marvels, we must ask ourselves, what defines the bizarre? Perhaps it's not the robots themselves, but our evolving relationship with them. As technology advances, today's bizarre becomes tomorrow's ordinary, and the frontier of the strange moves ever forward. Remember, in the world of robotics, the only limit is our imagination. What seems impossible today might be revolutionary tomorrow. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the extraordinary world of bizarre robotics and machines.